So this is actually the 2 by n matrix. That means 2 rows and n columns. In this case, 2 rows and 5 columns. Now the next problem is the case m by 2. That means there are m rows and only 2 columns. Now this is the problem we are going to solve. Solve the following game problem. We have 2 players A and B, and A has got 5 strategies, namely A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5, whereas B has got 2 strategies, B1 and B2. So the values are given there. And here, by using dominance property itself, we can reduce this matrix again. Elements of A2, you can just check. Elements of A2 means second row, minus 5 and 3. Minus 5 and 3 are smaller than elements of A1. Minus 5 is less than minus 2, 3 is less than 5. So A2 we can ignore. We can ignore A2. So the reduced matrix, by using dominance property itself, we can start reducing the matrix. Now the reduced matrix is given, that is A1, A3, A4, A5, 4 strategies for A, and B1, B2, 2 strategies for B. Now in this case, we have to draw 2 vertical corresponding to B2 and B1, 2 vertical lines. And you can draw the lines corresponding to A1, A3, A4, and A5. Okay, so that is the method. You can see corresponding to B1 and B2, we can draw 2 vertical lines. Okay, then you can plot the points there. The points you can plot like this. You can see the highest value is 5 and the lowest value is minus 4. Highest value is 5 and the lowest value is minus 4. So you can plot points from minus 4 to 5. You have to draw this in a graph paper. Then only you can you'll get the correct values and intersection points, etc. Okay. Now you can plot the points and draw the lines corresponding to the strategies of A, because A has got 5 strategies and here and we have reduced to 1. We ignored 1. So the remaining 4 strategies, you can draw the points. Consider A1. We have minus 2 and 5. For A1, the values are minus 2 and 5. Minus 2 on B1 and 5 on B2. Minus 2 on B1 and 5 on B2. So this is the line A1. The same way you can draw A3. You can draw A3. A3 is 0 minus 2. 0 here on a B1 and minus 2 on B2. And you can join those points so that you will get the line corresponding to strategy A3. Then comes A4. For A4, the values are minus 3 and 0. Minus 3 on B1 and 0 on B2. You can draw that line corresponding to the strategy A4. Similar way, for A5, we have 1 and minus 4. 1 on B1 and minus 4 on B2. You can draw that line also. Okay. So in this case, we have drawn all the lines corresponding to the strategies. Now we are solving this problem with the point of the player B. So we can see that the upper boundary of these lines gives the maximum of the loss. Upper boundary of this is the maximum of the loss to player B. Okay. And the lowest point of this upper boundary is the minimax point. This is the minimum of the maximum values. Here it is M. We have L, M, N, and O. This is the region. And M is the minimax point, minimum of the maximum values. And the lines representing this, or the lines which are intersecting at M, are one is which are the lines intersecting at M? Which lines or strategies corresponding to? Can you see that intersection point? Which strategies are intersecting there? A1 and A5. Yes, correct. A1 and A5 are intersecting there. So you can ignore all other strategies. Consider only A1 and A5. You can ignore A3 and A4. Now this is the matrix. We need to consider only A1 and A5. B1 and B2 is there for the strategy of the second player. Again, using the probabilistic method, we have the formula. You can find P. Here the value of P is 5 by 12 and 1 minus P is 7 by 12. The same way, by using the formula for Q, you can calculate the value of Q, that is 3 by 4, and 1 minus Q, that is equal to 1 by 4. So you got the probabilities and then the value of the gain. Using this formula, you can find the value of the gain. Now the solution. How we'll write the solution? A strategy. Only A1 and A5 has got the positive values. We have avoided the second, third, and fourth strategies. We have eliminated the matrix into a 2 by 2 matrix. So in that process, we have ignored 3 strategies, which will not have an impact on player A. So that is why we have ignored them. So I will choose strategy A1 with a probability 5 by 12 and strategy A5 with a probability 7 by 12. So in this case, B strategy will be, we will choose B1 with a probability 3 by 4 and B2 with a probability 1 by 4. And the value of the game is minus 1 by 4. So that is a solution of this problem. And this is the M by 2 case.